Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee. First, always begin with fresh, high-quality whole coffee beans. Grinding them right before you brew is crucial for preserving their delicate aromas and flavors. Also, remember that water makes up over 98% of your coffee, so using filtered water is essential to prevent any unwanted tastes from affecting your perfect cup. Next, let's talk about the golden ratio. A consistent coffee-to-water ratio is key to a balanced brew every time. A widely accepted starting point is 1 part coffee to 16 parts water. This means if you're using 30 grams of coffee, you'll want to add 500 grams of water. This precision ensures you extract the right amount of flavor without over or under extracting. Water temperature is incredibly important. Heat your water to between 200 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. This specific range is ideal for extracting the complex flavors from your coffee grounds without burning them. For most brewing methods, aim for a total brew time of 3 to 4 minutes. This duration allows for a full and balanced extraction, giving you a rich and satisfying cup. Finally, to truly enjoy your perfectly brewed coffee, serve it immediately. Freshness is paramount for experiencing its full aroma and taste. Remember to clean your brewing equipment regularly. This prevents old coffee oils from affecting future brews. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of beans and roasts to discover your personal favorite flavor profiles. Enjoy your delicious, normal coffee.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.